Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to give to our project an add functionality. Let's double click on it. And we are going to need the same SQL connection in order to connect with our database. We are going to need SQL connection and SQL command. Let's open our connection. Connection open. Also, this load data. This helps to load our project to our data grid view. SQL command cmd is equal new SQL command. And here, go to our database. Choose database, go to the tables, and go to book tables, right click, script as, insert to, and new query editor window. Just click on it. And copy from insert into two values. Control C, then Control V. Here, single quote, double quote, and double plus. Let's run our let's not forget Kiyosaki's package for that. Pages, I don't remember, just type something. We missed here the value part. And now it must work. Tummy, login. Yeah, record saved successfully. And our second record, as you can see, let's click on clear. And now we have clear button functionality, add button. In our next videos, we are going to make a delete button and update button. And that was all for today's video. And have you ever read Kiyosaki's bestseller book, Rich Dad Poor Dad? Write down in the comment section below. So see you soon.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you soon.